Hi guys, since we had that little issue with Brian falling into the water, we've decided to just come on over to the park that's nearest to us and just see if he'll fly. We figure that he may need to be recalibrated because he's just not doing what he's supposed to do. So Dave tried him in the house and he seemed to be all good. But if you get him at a height, that's where the problems lie, and that's when you want a drone. So let's see what happens, guys. There's Dave.
No, we don't.
All right, well, maybe Dave doesn't want to be watched. In that case, you and I can go for a walk. Let's do that. And you can report to us later whether it was good or not. Yeah?
You see me swimming with a glass of beer, looking sorry for myself. Yeah.
If we what?
I'm sitting over there with a glass of beer, looking sorry for myself. Yeah, they're no good.
Okay, so if he's looking sorry for himself, we'll see. So will you wait for me or will you go over there?
I'm just going to try and lift off, okay?
Okay. All right, so we're just going to watch, guys. We're just going to watch. It may be fine. See, before at this point, rather than just staying stationary in one spot where Dave wanted him to stay, he was still going up when Dave wanted him to stay put. So, hi Brian. Hello Brian. I'm your mommy. Was he supposed to do that?
Yeah, I was a little bit too
full on? Is he doing all right? Come here, Brian. Well, I'll test him out. Just see how you go. So we've got, well, once again, green water, but you know, that's the way it happens. But the one thing that I can say that is really, really beautiful are these beautiful lily pads with their lovely blossoms. What are they called? I hate that. Lotus blossom. I have a lotus blossom tattooed on my left side. It's a part of a tattoo that I got for my dad when he passed away. So it was basically in remembrance of my father. And we have the lily pond and butterflies and just a never-ending circle of love. Yeah. So we won't bother Dave while he's trying to get Brian to work properly. He gets so engrossed and so angsty about when things go wrong, particularly when they're electronic things and they're so expensive. But there's only so much you can do, really, isn't there? So yeah, as I said, this is a park that's very close to where we live. So we thought we'd give it a look at, considering that I haven't been able to really get out and about or walk in the last 4 weeks. This is a real relief. And we walked 1.6 k's to the Meat Shop Plaza and the Raum Shop Mall. Oh. Brian's behind me. I've got a feeling he's working okay. So yeah, it's just a relief to be able to walk. I'd say the 3 physio visits were probably right on key. I won't go for a 4th because now I feel as though I've got it worked out. There's nothing worse than things going wrong with your body. I mean, let's face it, everyone's had health problems in one form or another, and there's just nothing worse than having to deal with a health problem when you thought, or you might know what it's all about and how long it will take to recover, and then on the other hand, you may not know what's going on or who to go to and all of those things. So particularly in someone else's country, you know, Thailand is our host country, and we love Thailand. We love Thailand, and I guess it's just something that will eventually happen to everybody. You will eventually have a health problem, and you will eventually have to find someone that you trust enough to go to. I just found the ladies at the Meat Chok, Rom Chok Meat Chai Polyclinic to be fantastic. I've mentioned their names and the location and everything in the previous vlog. I just wanted to give them another heads up, basically, because if you do need physiotherapy and you're in the Chiang Mai area, definitely go there. So I'm not really sure what this is, but it looks relatively new because it looks like it's just been painted. It still has bits that need to be done, like at the top there. So yeah, I'm really not sure. But round about this time of evening, it's always really active. Like all of the parks are always so active with people walking their dogs, just going for walks themselves. And then we've got these lovely girls walking their dog too. So let's just walk over the other side so we don't take up any of their personal space. Sawadee ka. Hello, dog. Oh, this place needs a gardener. He probably has one. To be honest, our yard gets raked up every single morning, and every single morning we find leaves everywhere. So to get a deciduous tree, to get an evergreen tree, oh my goodness, stick with the evergreen all the time. I'm waffling, so let's just go and find Dave and see how Brian's flight after the fall went. He doesn't look upset. And Brian's still in the air. Check this guy out with his VR on. It's not something that I would be into, but hey, I'm a little bit older than that, so not always going to be the same kind of interest, are they? This my victory lap, because I've been able to walk around the entire park with no pain. Oh my goodness, do you know how much of a relief it is to be able to take steps with 1 foot at a time, rather than two feet on one step, then 2 feet on the next step. Oh God, I was starting to feel like an old lady, and I don't want to start feeling like an old lady. I'm only 55. I've got a whole lot of time ahead of me, and I don't want any one particular injury defining me or basically making the rules for the rest of my life of what I can and can't do. Now, it looks like Dave's putting Brian away. He doesn't look upset, does he? So let's go and ask Dave. Was it a success?
I decided to fly it over there. And it went. So it's near that lily pad.
No, it's not.
That's not, it's in the bag.
No, it's not. He's full of shit and he can't lie. I'll tell you that one thing about Dave right now, he can't lie.
Oh,
over to
who's
Dave.
Watching this. I've just noticed it's trying to keep the same height and levels, but it's moving. I've just noticed two of the wings are damaged.
Oh.
So I've
You'll
got
need to
spare
get it
kit.
fixed.
I've got some spare ones.
Okay.
I'm just got to make sure I've got a small enough screwdriver because I bought another kit. But it seemed to actually, when I'm trying to go along and keep it at 2.1, whatever, blah, blah, it sort of moves around a bit. So I'll change the wings, but it actually didn't go yahoo and crash. So I'm happy.
He's happy.
It's a bit dirty. It looks like it's been out having a good night because it's covered in black stuff and green stuff. The other night it took out one of the trees.
Oh, yeah.
Remember
So
when I
you
took
didn't
it
clean it up?
Yeah, the
after that?
calibrator. It said calibrate the compass. All of a sudden I lost the compass.
Oh, so you didn't clean it after that?
No, because I was all stressed out. Poor old Brian lost. I'll make sure he's okay first.
Right,
Clean him up
right.
later.
Yeah. Okay.
There's no water there.
So guys, Dave and I are just going right across to a little place across the road here. It's called Life Coffee Bar and Beer.
Coffee in the mornings and beers in the afternoon.
And beers in the afternoons. Yeah. So we'll just go on. Dave's pretty happy.
Oh, well, it's still not 100%, but at least it's flying. I'm not expecting this huge bill at the moment.
Yeah. All right. So this
And
is
all the
where we
sensors
like
work.
to go every now and again, and it's pretty cool.
Just the local
It's
place.
relatively laid back.
It is. They have a little live music with guitars, a bit of singing at night time on different nights.
Yeah.
I think Friday and Saturday
And we're
night's the
kind of laid
busiest.
back.
Friday and Saturday night's the busiest, I think.
Yeah. Aren't we, Dave?
Yeah, I don't mind it. Actually, I don't know I get to know a few of the words, but the rest were just sort of, it's like mellow, it's really good.
As in the lyrics?
Yeah, well,
Oh no, I was saying we're pretty laid back, aren't we, Dave?
Oh, we are, yeah.
Except for when you
Brian's noise.
stress out about little things.
Got Brian, brakes.
Yeah.
One crashing, two crashing.
Oh, good. Oh, good. They're just little things. Nobody died.
No.
Okay, so let's go get a drink. I'm going to sit myself down, Dave, after that Herculean
You walked right around.
lap of
Wow.
the park.
My little nipple, come on.
All right. So we've got the citronella candle burning, and I've got one of these sticks, which is eucalyptus, citronella, and some kind of leaf to keep it all together. And I put that one by our feet. I'm just lighting it, as you can see. Lighting it on the candle.
I'm not saying you're silly little candles.
They're not silly at all. This is a citronella candle.
Someone is supposed to put one of the candles out last night. It was still burning into the plastic this morning.
Oops.
At least it was outside on the table.
Yeah.
There's nothing around to burn apart from the plastic.
All right, this one's ready to go.
Well, I'm quite happy with that. Now all I have to do is replace. I can show you actually.
The other side.
That one there's bent a bit. This
Saw
one
some
here
scratches.
is damaged.
I would probably swap out that one and the one that you showed me that was bent.
Them two look Alright.
But when we bought the drone, we bought a set of replacement propellers anyway. So, you know, just to be on the safe side, because you never know where you're going to be and something may happen.
That one's definitely been down, that one there. Look at it's damaged.
Yeah.
Get in here, huh?
You have a whole new set.
Yeah. I hope I've got a screwdriver.
I'd say you would, Dave. If you carry those around, you would probably have. There we go.
So I can do it. I'm not going to do it here. I'll drop one of the screws into the dirt. That'd be the end of it.
No, I'm not going to do that.
So I don't have spare screws, I don't think.
All right.
Well, yes, I do. No, I'm not going to do it.
So we're going to order some sticks, meat on a stick, very
Yeah, not just
soon-ish.
sticks.
Sticks, meat on a stick. We're just going to have some sticks here because we like the place. We like to contribute to the local economy, and it's just a bunch of young kids that run this after 5 o'clock. So we like to contribute
So
to that.
damaged.
Shall we, Dave?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Talk to you later.